To make strategic research decisions, you first need to understand your research footprint. You need to know the answers to questions like which subjects you publish in most frequently, who your collaborators are, where is your funding coming from. Web of Science provides the key data points to help you understand your institution's impact, including all author names, all author addresses, and funding sources. One simple search in Web of Science using the affiliation field is all you need to get started. Because affiliations are unified and standardized, you can be sure you're not missing any Web of Science records. Begin typing and pick your organization from the suggested list. Once you have a set of articles that represent your institution's output, you can use the Analyze tool to mine the data. Use the available fields to find out which subjects do you publish in most frequently. From the Results Analysis page, you can use the drop-down menu to focus by Web of Science subject category. These represent the fields of study your authors are publishing in most. Drill into the visualization or use the table below to focus on a particular category. Analyze a second time by publication titles to see which journals your researchers in this field are publishing in. Who are you collaborating with? Analyze the original search once again by the affiliation field to see which universities or industry groups are co-authors on your published papers. Know where your active collaborations are and, perhaps importantly, where you aren't collaborating. You can focus even further and understand collaborations by drilling into a specific organization's co-authored papers. Analyze once again by author to see who the individuals are that are participating in this collaboration. And lastly, analyze the original search by funding agencies. Where are your funding sources coming from? How impactful has that funded research been? Use the Citation Report tool to understand the impact of papers funded in particular fields, and use this information to support future grant applications and demonstrate ROI. Once you have a handle on your own research footprint, you can follow the same path to understand the output of your peer institutions as well. Don't forget that Web of Science can alert you to the addition of new publications as well. From any set of search results, click Create Alert to establish a daily, weekly, or monthly alert based on the criteria you've specified. Stay up to date on all the new research in your specialty area.